Hi guys, it's Habib here. In this video, we are going to talk about thumbnails and the weekly recaps that YouTube do send us, as an update for you guys to know the level at which your channel is and how to improve. But today, the topic is how to improve your thumbnails. If you watch the video that I did, that was last week about my journey to monetization. I spoke a lot about how I met a lady called Nana. Until now, I've never seen her face, though she was the one who helped me get monetized. Because this lady helped me with one particular thumbnails that drive all those subscribers and viewers. And that's the channel or the video that got me monetized, bro. Because it brought a lot of people. And since then, a lot has changed. So just because of that thumbnail, if you watch that video, I spoke about how I, edited the thumbnail, posted it. Nana saw it and told me, no, Habib, this is not the right thumbnail. Change it, remove the writings and put in more, photos. And I did the same. I sent it to her the second time. She said, no, it's still not better. Change it. I changed it again and put it up for the third time. Nana said, this is the right one. So after uploading that video with that catchy thumbnail, I slept. The following day, I had a call from Nana. Habib, have you watched your video? Have you checked YouTube? I said, no, Nana, because I've been busy with work. I don't have time. She said, bro, go and see the wonders that is happening to that particular videos. I rushed quickly to YouTube and all of a sudden, magic. That video started attracting a lot of views, thousands of views. And that's the first video that ever got me to 1,000. But now I still have some few one, though I'm not consistent. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how powerful thumbnails is. YouTube is even telling you that, bro, this is working for you, this thumbnail is working for you, this is not working for you. So do this to your thumbnails, remove this, add this, and with that, it will help you grow and get more subscribers and viewers. So if you are ready for this, bro, stay tuned. Without wasting my time, let's dive into it. Alright guys, if this is your first time on the channel, kindly like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. But if you'll be here with us, Aquaba, as usual, give me some few minutes. So as I said in this video, I'm going to share with you, how you can improve your thumbnails through YouTube, because this is not any big deal. YouTube will be giving you weekly updates on this, and if you don't know, I'm going to help you with that. But before I start, on this particular video was the one I was talking of that brought me a lot of subscribers and views just because of some small things that I changed on my thumbnail. So if you want to go, we are heading to YouTube studio right now. So just hit on this view channel. Now when you reach here, just hit on that tally icon there. When you hit on it, you see this. Just scroll down. So when you scroll down, you see go to YouTube studio. So just hit on YouTube, go to YouTube studio, and that's on this particular channel that I'm talking of. Now you can see we are on overview, and if you check at the bottom, it is analytics. As I said, often YouTube do send us update, but a lot of beginners and guru YouTubers don't know. And this is some of the things that will help you know this week this how your channel perform, and this is the particular video that brought you a lot of subscribers or viewers. And you should also look up to those thumbnails that brought you a lot of subscribers and viewers. Then do more of that, not repetition, but do similar of that. And with that, it will be like a brand that some of your subscribers are gonna know you with. So the moment they enter into the YouTube application and see the thumbnails without even checking the channel's name, this is from Habib Educate. Yes. So now let's go to top tips for your thumbnails. When you hit on it, look at what YouTube told you. Thumbnails help viewers choose you. Let's see how your thumbnails are doing. Now when you swipe this to the left side, you see these thumbnails are working well. And if you see the first one, applying for US visa sponsorship, that was, I did it in the last one before traveling to Ghana. And the one I did, some months back, that's about the DV lottery. They said that video is also doing well because of the thumbnail. And also the exit of multinational businesses in Ghana. So this video, I also did it some few months back before going back to Ghana. So YouTube is telling me right now that these thumbnails are doing well, meaning you have to try and improve on your thumbnails and do videos and make sure the thumbnails will just look like this one but not repetition. Okay, so you see two of those thumbnails, I try to bring in my picture so that at least subscribers, whenever they see this picture, they know it's coming from Habib Etiquette. So that's when someone gets to connect with me, that's maybe a subscriber. Whenever he sees my picture or my photo right there, he's gonna click on that video. Just a kind of support for the channel owner. So now let's swipe to the left again. Here's how to give your thumbnails every chance to shine. Let's swipe it again. Make sure they are clear and easy to read. Make sure they are clear and easy to read. So these are a bunch of 9 thumbnails that YouTube brought out. And if you watch all these channels, I started I've changed the thumbnail game that started in 2024, but some 2 or 3 months ago. Previously, I was using InShot to edit my videos and thumbnails, but I realized that editing the thumbnail with CapCut, that's the mobile app, is better, and it comes or it appears clearer compared to me using the InShot. So since then, I've changed the strategies of my thumbnails and started making sure that the writings and the pictures appear clearer. Okay, because on the InShot apps it appears but not that clear compared to the CapCut. So I've changed the game, and if you realize all these thumbnails, look at how clear and easy to read it is. And if you it will be very easy for you to read it from afar, because know that it's not only on mobile that people are watching you, others are watching you on your on their televisions. So just imagine how your thumbnail is going to pop up very clear on that television. So make sure you improve on your thumbnails. As I said, guys, if realize that this video is informative so far, kindly give a like and subscribe to that channel so that whenever I do more videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. But still, make sure you leave a comment if you believe in what I'm telling you, and go and also do this and know what YouTube is telling you and how YouTube wants you to improve on your thumbnails. Now let's swipe to the left again. They said stand out next to other thumbnails. Yes, because previously I wasn't doing the right thing to the thumbnails, but now I've tried to improve on the thumbnails because that's what will catch or bring more subscribers and viewers. Because when make sure you get a catchy thumbnail, someone just read it and see it there, it's gonna convince that person to click on that video so that he will realize what that YouTuber has for him. And that's if it's not that important, he can leave. But the important thing here is you got a click now because of your thumbnail. So if you see these thumbnails, for the GB WhatsApp, I did it long ago. That was those days that I started the channel. But if you see the scorching sun, that was in 2024. And the Gen Z, the riot that happened in Kenya, that was just a few recent. And the residential also, that was some few months ago. And beneath it, they said your thumbnails should preview your videos and spark curiosity. That's what I said, and that will even lead the subscribers to give a click. Now let's swipe again. They said always help viewers return to your channel. The font also counts. Make sure it appears clearer and bigger so that people can read what you wrote there. They said what? Keep it simple. Bold colors and designs are catchy. Bold colors and designs are catchy. So the designs, in terms of pictures, everything shouldn't be writing on your channel. You can put some few writing and put pictures. Let's say if you want to put about is you're talking about bank, you can't you like you have to avoid writing bank and make sure you put a picture of a bank there. I think that will even be better. Now they said, but too much is overwhelming. Don't make sure you do it picture like that. Now when you come to the bottom, they said target your audience, match designs to your viewers preferences and similarity with you. So bro, all this count. Let's swipe again. They said want more, watch for more ways to boost your thumbnails. Now this is what I was talking of. YouTube sent me this, how to improve on my thumbnail so that I'll get more subscribers and views. If you swipe that place, that particular place to the left again, you see your weekly recap is here. So this is what YouTube has, an update that YouTube has brought, and each and every week it will give you, an update or a recap about your channel, the video that performed, the video that brought a lot of subscribers and viewers, and tell you to improve. So when I hit on it right now, I don't want this video to be long. They said weekly recap from July 16 to July 22. July I was in Ghana. So within those 2 weeks I didn't upload videos, but still I still try. My video got me 1.3k people tuned into you. So that was, let's say within 5 days I got these views, even though I'm not consistent. But now I'm trying to be consistent on the channel because I want to take it serious. And he said, and you got 58 new subscribers. That's a plus. Now when you swipe it to the left, these searches led people to you. Now how to make multiple Gmail accounts without phone verification, how to make money online in Ghana through mobile money, and MTN cheap data bundle. This MTN cheap data bundle, I did it some months or years ago. That was when I started the channel as well. Now when I saw it, they said this is what they watch, and the first thumbnail that you saw there is what I was talking of. If you see that four that I wrote, I could write FOUR as in letters, but I prevented that and wrote the four. And if you see at the top, you can see the MTN, you can see the Ghana cities, you can see the bank, and you can see PayPal. That was what I was talking of. Always, it shouldn't be writing, maybe MTN mobile money and maybe bank, and no, sometimes blend it with pictures, blend it with design, and this will even help to attract more subscribers. Now if you look at the bottom, you can see how to create multiple Gmail accounts. You can see the Google Gene logo there. I just went and pick it as a picture NPG and brought it. Sometimes remove the background and just put it there. If you want me to do a video on that too, just let me know in the comment section down below. Habib is always ready to help you guys. So if you look at the button also, make over 1,000 revenue, how I started my mobile money business in Ghana. So that's the reason why I even did that video. So you can see from the Ghana cities an arrow to mobile money. Okay, so this is also another way that you can blend in with writings and bring in more subscribers. Let's swipe, and people didn't just watch, they reached out. So I got some 28 likes, which even is not that much, but I think it's better. And 14 shares and 3 comments. So this happened within 5 days. Now you made 3.86 last week. So just last week my video got me this. I told you YouTube has started paying me. So they said that's 12.68 so far dollars this month. So that's what my video got me in a week. Though I'm not consistent, but I have to put in much effort so that I can increase that money there. So when you swipe it again, they said let's play a game. Another fun way that YouTube wants to motivate you. They said what was your most viewed video last week? If you swipe it backwards, you see this. Let's go. No, I think it's not there. But because I have been checking out more on my channel, I think I'll be able to win this game, because I know the channel that will bring in more view. But things can change. Oh, okay, let's go. This one. I won, because I've been doing a lot. They said what? This video got 507 views in the last week. So guys, that's the end. They said what? Check back next week. Done. So this is another tip that I brought you guys. I think this video is informative, bro. If you're watching me here right now, bro, you give me a thumbnail because this helps me, it motivates me to bring out more content, because though I haven't been consistent, but now I'm trying to update my subscribers. And some of my subscribers, told me a lot, and they needed me to do videos for them. I'll try harder and start giving them what they want. I think this video is informative. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. And see your boy Habib Educated. I'll see you in the next video.